Hello, welcome back to my channel again, and today yet again this is a recycle or upcycle project. I have this very old photo frame with me. I don't have the heart to throw it, so I thought I will do a very simple foiling project with this frame. So I want to give it a very distressed, like farmhouse style kind of a finish. So what I'm doing is I'll take my chalk paint black and I'm going to apply it. Please excuse my voice, I'm a bit under the weather, so I had earlier done a lot of work on this frame. It's already been upcycled a couple of times, so isn't that the beauty of recycling and upcycling? You can keep reusing your stuff again and again as per the trend, as per your taste. You can keep changing them. So I have given it 2 coats of chalk paint black. Now I have this candle with me. To give it a distressed look, I'm going to rub this candle wherever I want some distress effect. Now I'm taking a lighter color. It's a off-white color and I'm going to apply over it. It's dry. Now to distress this, I'm taking a sandpaper. I think this is 80 grit, not too rough, just slightly rough, and I'm going to rub my photo frame. What this will do is wherever we had put wax, the paint will not stick, so when we sand it, it will come off. So that is going to give us the distressed look. Can you see? So it's as simple as that. Whatever color you want to show through, that's the base color that you would give when you distress. Then apply wax wherever you want that old charm. See how beautiful this is? It's become a nice vintage look. Now I'll just leave this aside and we'll come to our very important part of the project. So I want to do some foiling. So I'm going to be taking a laser printout. I just wanted some crafting codes. So I'm searching in Google for some crafting codes and I choose whatever I want, save the picture, and then I take a printout. And yeah, this is the printout I have. So I think this will fit. Crafting is my therapy. So what I'll do is, this is a trial that I'm doing because you don't need a laminator for all your foiling work. You can do without the laminator too. Today I'm going to be using a iron. So I'm taking my foil here. This is a yellow gold reactive foil. There are so many projects that you can do with these and it is so addictive. And I have been, from the time I have got this in my DT kit, I have been trying different ways of using these foils. And one of it is what I'm going to be showing you today. So I'm just gonna cut a small piece, whatever I want here. You can make simple and quick projects with these. So my iron is heating up. What I'm doing is, I am not going to place it on the heart here. I am going to place it like this, and I will put a parchment paper over it. I hope you can see. Okay, I'm placing it like this. I'm putting a parchment paper. Pressure is very important for foiling. So I'm trying to give as much pressure as I can. Okay, there's one small curve here. Okay, so I'm taking it out. Let's see if it's come out well. Whoa, 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 whoa. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I am so happy. This is so good. Okay, I had saved a small piece of red here, so I'm going to put it here. And my god, I just love this, guys. This is absolutely stunning. What more do you want? You can do so many things with this. Look at that. Can you see? Isn't that gorgeous? What more you want? It's absolutely pretty. So it's as simple as that. So what we are going to do now is, all I'll be doing is just, how easy can this be? I'm amazed. Place it in the center. Can you think of a simpler project, guys? That too, it's so gorgeous. If you have to buy these vintage frames with golden print outside, you will have to shell out at least a couple of hundred or more. But see what we have created. I'm super happy. This is so beautiful. It's come out so well. And can you see in this how the whole thing has come? Crafting is this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy. This will go on my craft table. Absolutely beautiful stuff. Let's just glam it a little more. You think I should give some kind of flakes here? So what I'll do is, I'll take this magic glue, foil magic, and now I'm going to be using some flakes, not the foil. So I'm just going to, randomly with my finger. I don't want too thick. I actually wanted to do it on this, but the frame was small for this. But yeah, until this glue dries, why not we just try doing it on that? Isn't it addictive? So you get a good idea of how to use the foil. Let me take another foil. Let's do rose gold. Just explaining it to you again, all you do is take a laser printout of whatever you coat or anything that you want, a design or anything that you want. Put your foil, the color side up. Put a parchment paper on top and just iron it. Keep it in medium heat and give a little pressure. This is definitely magic. Why do you even need a laminator when you have your own home iron. And just imagine what all you can print like this. I mean foil. These are not expensive at all, guys, so it's good to invest in a couple of colors because it is 6 by 120 inches. That is a big roll of foil, and it's going to come a long way. You can do a lot of projects with that. So, and it's not very expensive also, so do invest. I just love this. I just love this. Look at that. This is too good. This is just too good. Can you see that shine? Can you see it has taken all the letterings here, so you can see that the foil is. I will not waste these foils because for smaller projects all these smaller areas can be used, so I'll keep it. I'm taking these gilding flakes or gold dust or gold flakes, and I am going to that's it. Look at the beauty of this. I am in love with this. This is so vintage. I'm sure if you have to buy it from a shop, I'm sure these kind of things are sold in a very upmarket vintage shops, vintage shops, and I'm sure they cost a bomb. But we have created it with an old frame and some reactive foils and a printout. That is it. And this is gorgeous. Do check out the HNDMD website and check the colors of reactive foils that they have, and the gilding flakes, and also their foil magic. And just let your creativity ooze out. And yes, I hope you like this project. Happy crafting. Bye bye.